Congratulations, you have your RealFit Kit, and now you're one step closer to a bra that feels like it was made just for you. The RealFit Bra by Jockey. My bra changed my life, and now I'm starring in this video. Okay, let's get down to business. You'll need a mirror, your RealFit Kit, and this video. So let's get started. I'm here with this camera crew. Hi guys. So I'm gonna stay covered up, but you should not. No bra or top, just you. It's important to get the most accurate measurement possible so you can get the best fitting bra of your life. First, measure your volume by choosing the RealFit cup that looks like it'll fit you best. Now, remember, the cup is not what your bra will look like. Thank goodness. This is just to measure you for the most accurate fit. Then, okay, this is important. Lean forward and place the bottom of the cup under your breast, arrow facing up. Then come up, check it out in the mirror and make sure everything is in there. If you're spilling over like me, then go up a size. If there are gaps, go down in size. Make sure to measure both breasts. If they're different sizes like most of us, then go with the larger cup. Once you're happy with your fit, write down your number 1 through 10. Next, measure your band size. Wrap the RealFit measuring tape around you and under your breasts, where your bra band would go, and measure to the nearest inch. The number in the color block is your band measurement, so write that down next to your cup size. Then just combine your cup size and your band measurement to get your final RealFit bra size. For example, 336. And that's it. You're ready to order your RealFit bra online. If you need any help or you're still unsure about your size, you can always call or go to a Jockey retail store where a RealFit bra fitter will be ready to answer any questions. Oh, and don't forget about the free shipping, free exchange, free returns, and money-back guarantee. Share the RealFit Kit with your best friends. Help your girls get their girls together.